We're making mini M&M cookies. Be sure to check out this video's description box. A list of ingredients and directions are located down below for your convenience. It's time to make some cookies. Let's get started. To a large mixing bowl, we need half a cup of softened salted butter, half a cup of sugar, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix, mix, mix. Next, we need 2 eggs, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give that a good mix. Now we're ready for our dry ingredients. We need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. I did not use the spoon method. Instead, I used my measuring cup to scoop out the flour directly. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix until everything is well combined. Go ahead and scrape the bowl if needed. Lastly, all we need is 3/4 cup of mini M&M candies. Once the candies are mixed in, grab your tablespoon-sized cookie scooper and scoop out some dough. To make these as small as we can, we're going to split our dough ball in half like so. Roll it into a ball and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. As a last little touch, we're going to decorate the tops with 3 of those mini candies. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes depending on your oven. Since these are fairly small, I would suggest checking them right at 6 minutes. And here they are, fresh from the oven, looking mighty tasty. If you're on the hunt for more cookie recipes, be sure to check out my cookie playlist. Here's an ingredients list. If you have any questions, suggestions, or your own baking tips to share, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.